Hello and welcome. I am G.S.CLASSES and you are seeing CBSE and CISE class videos 360 channel. Today we are solving the numericals of the exercise 1C of number systems. 7th question is examine whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. So 7 first is 3 plus under root 3. So it is the form a plus under root b. So this is rational. And next is under root 7. Under root 7 minus 2. So this is in the form under root v minus a. So this is also irrational. And next is third cube root 5 into cube root 2 5, and this can be written as cube root 5 into 2 5 and cube root 3 into 5 into 2 5. So this can be written as 5 raised to the power 3, and this cube root is cancelled out. So answer is 5, which is rational. Fourth is under 7 into 3 4 3. So this is written as 7 into 3 4 3, and 3 4 3 is the cube of 7. So this can be written 7 into 7 raised to the power 3, and this can be written as 7 raised to the power 4, and after solving the under root we get 7 raised to the power 2, and 7 raised to the power 2 mean 49. 49, and 49 is rational. And fifth is under root 13 y 117, and under root 13 y 117 can be written as 13 9s 117, and 9 is the squares of 3. So this is 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is rational. Okay, so it is rational. And last one is 6th under root 8 into under root 2, and this can be written as under root 8 into 2, and this can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 into 2, and 2 raised to the power 4, and 2 raised to the power 2 and 4, which is rational. Okay friend, question 8 is what? Insert a rational and irrational number between 2 and 2.5. So a is equal to 2, v is equal to 2.5. So rational number is a plus v y2 according to this 2 plus 2.5 y2, and it can be written as 4.5 y2, and 4.5 divided by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, and here is decimal, sorry, 2 to the 4 and 1 2 5 the 10, 2.25, which is rational, and irrational is equal to irrational is under root AB. So under root is 2 into 2.5, and after multiplication 2 into 2.5 you get 5, which is irrational क्योंकि 5 is not a perfect square. And next question is 9. How many irrational numbers lies between under 2 and under 3? And find any three irrational numbers lying between under 2 and under root 3. So 9 is under 2 can be written as under 2 1.414, and under 3 value is 1.732. And how many irrational number lie between मीन कितने रेशनल नंबर लाई कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स आंसर इज इनफाइनाइट. वी फाइंड इनफाइनाइट रेशनल number, sorry, irrational also irrational number. Okay, and find any three irrational numbers lying between under 2 and under 3. So we assume any value between the this and this. So we take 1.515 double 1 5 triple 1 5, and then this is an irrational number. This is one, and second is 1.525, and triple 2 5 in simple way like this. इस तरीके से this is second, and third is 1.606006006, and that dash. This is third. Okay friend. Question 10. Find two rational and two irrational numbers between 0.5 and 0.55. So 10 is 0.5 and 0.55 के between हमें two rational and two irrational numbers हमें बताने. So two rational number are 0.512, and second is 0.523, and 0.534. We can take any value, and this is terminating, and terminating number is rational number, and two irrational. So two irrational number is two irrational. So we take 0.5202 002 002, and that is, and second is 0.3 sorry 53 03 003, and 003. Question 11 is find three different irrational numbers between the rational 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So 11 question is 5 by 7. 5 by 7, after solving we get 0.714. Okay, and 9 by 11, and 9 by 11 is 0.8181. Okay, and three irrational numbers. So first is first is 0.724, 224, and that is, and second is 0.75, 05005, and 005, and that is, and third is 0.77, 117, 1117, and 417. that is, हमारी वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, बस वो इसके बिटवीन होना चाहिए और इरेशनल होना चाहिए. सो इरेशनल मीन non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. So these all three are non-repeating and non-terminating decimal. If you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon button for more updates. Thank you very much and have a nice day.